do some
Oh, ha?
position action. But look at this.
Nanood kami ng basketball, kakain na kami, nagugutom na. Talo na yung Pilipinas.
He was from time to time the offensive end, assist 7 to 9. That's expected because we're not shooting very well. And then
Lakas pa ng hangin sa labas, so. Oh, ha? Lakas ng hangin sa labas.
A lot of those shots were actually good attempts.
Sana ulan to. Lakas ng kulog, oh.
And then
No.
our shots started to fall as well in the second quarter, especially
Kain na.
Kevin Kiambao. And then first
Kakain na Jason. Si engineer, andito pa, naglalaro pa.
especially to be on work, but rebounding, we cannot
Ina.
out-rebound it.
Ay, gutom na. Anong oras na?
In this second quarter, if we want to make this
Right now, we're gonna bring in Carlo to join us here at halftime break. And Carlo, from what you've seen there so far, it looks like they were able to do.
Yan ang pinanood namin, oh.
Defense, they're arcing on Justin Brown, and they have been able to really calm him down.
Nge.
Well, we all know that the defense will be physical.
Palit ako sa mga biddings ko rin. Ay, linisan kong electric pan ko.
Even schemed against him. We initially assumed that
Mahangin nga sa labas, oh. Ayan, oh. Mahangin sa labas, oh. Mahangin. Ay, sa bagat daw to. Pero walang ulan.
they want everyone else to take the shot and Justin Connolly has been very successful with that kind of team against our offense.
Sige na, kakain na kami.
That's his coach Pinto.